Smalls here, the one and only rockstar farmer. Out here in the pig pen as usual, you know, Seekret Garden Family Farm style, here in Walterboro, South Carolina. We got Brody out here. We got some other pigs out here that they done busted out again, you know what I mean? And so in today's video, what we're gonna be doing is installing some security cameras, just so we can see what's going on back here while we ain't always back here, you know what I mean? So our eyes is gonna be in the sky, Seekret Garden style. We'll be able to see exactly what's going on. I'll show you guys the cameras that we will be using to install out here, and we're gonna go with that. We're gonna put them in like strategic locations. There's 4 cameras, so I'm thinking we're gonna put some so we can see the pigs, and some so we can see what else is going on out here during the nighttime or during the day while we ain't even back here. So the goal is install security cameras. We ordered these cameras right here off of Amazon, and so it's wireless cameras. It's supposed to be battery operated, so we're gonna see how they work, you know, because if it don't work, we're gonna send them back and get something else. But for today, we're gonna be keeping an eye on these pigs with the cameras, seeing how we could just make the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC more visual to us while we're not even here. So stick with us. Alright, so these are the cameras that we're gonna be installing. It's 4 of them. Extra eyes and ears cameras. So they're wireless, and from what I can see, you connect them to your Wi-Fi, and we're gonna install them on like different trees or different parts of around in the area over here, just so that we can keep eyes on what's going on, like the little pigs, the big pigs. We can see if any animals is coming out here at nighttime and ain't supposed to be here. You know, just adding a little bit of extra security to the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC. Yo, so as we was continuing to do our recording about the videos, setting up the video cameras, there's been a little change of plans. Like all the way back there where the pigs and stuff is at, there's no Wi-Fi, so we gotta set up our situation in a different area. So look, we got this rooster, his name is Player Fly. I haven't named these hens over here, but that's Apache, the white Great Pyrenees dog right there. His name is Apache. And all these little hens here, they be laying eggs and stuff, but we in the front of the Seekret Garden right now. You know, the Seekret Garden is a multi-layered conglomeration of an idea that, you know, me, James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer, it came up with it in my head, you know, like his name is Apache. His sister Sable, she's named back up there over there in the back behind this fence. But Sable and Apache were 2 dogs that when I was a kid, when I was about 5 years old, I named my first 2 dogs. They were Dalmatians. I named them Sable and Apache. And so right now, like being at the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, you know what I mean? Like when I first got these 2 dogs, I named them Sable and Apache. So that's just a little bit added on to what I was talking about. But like, we're gonna keep going with setting up these cameras, because what's going on is, what you can see behind me is the home of the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC drive-through meat market. Like, if you can see right there, that's where the entrance is gonna be. That's where the entrance is right now. And it's a whole drive-through setup that you could drive through and get all the way around to get to the meat market. And as you can see, look behind me right here. When we say that we take it from the farm to the table, we accept EBT. Yo, we accept cash money, checks, whatever you got in your pocket, we feed you from right here, and you're gonna get some fresh food. So I'm gonna do you a little walk around inside the meat market, you know, and it's like you gotta call those things that you don't even see in front of you right now as though, talk to it as though it's right there. So check it out, look. And here is where, like, this freezer, a 3-door freezer that's holding meat, another freezer right here, and another freezer right there. And right here is where the captain sits. Okay, and look, we gotta say, hey, yeah, we gotta, like, we got the good, yo, everything is just being happening right here. So, yeah, like, dreams is really happening, and Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC right here in Walterboro. We're gonna show y'all how we're gonna, since the cameras didn't work on the Wi-Fi in the back, we're gonna sit here and show y'all how we're gonna hook this Wi-Fi up right here where the meat market is, so that we can have at least one camera set up out of those 4, and we'll figure the rest out. So stick with us. Alright, y'all, so like I said, we were gonna start putting the cameras in the back with the pigs, but the Wi-Fi wasn't working back there because it's so far back there that the router is up here. So what we're doing is, I've already pre-drilled one little hole into this camera, and I'm gonna pre-drill these other 2 holes and get it ready to install completely this camera. But this camera, instead of it being for the pigs, 100%, it's about the meat market and the Seekret Garden Family Farm, you know? Like, we're gonna install this camera, which you can already see that it's already installed. However, we're gonna finish it off. We got 4 cameras. We're gonna put another one inside the meat market, as well as use the other 2 in random locations where we find it. The Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, located here in Walterboro, South Carolina. You know what I mean? We're gonna stay secure. We're gonna provide people with meat and farm tours. You can come by and visit the pigs, the chickens, and especially this meat market right here. You can come by anytime and visit and purchase and, you know, get what you can see right here in front of you. So I'm gonna continue working on this camera, and we're gonna show y'all how everything's finished, and we're keeping the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC secure over here. Alright, y'all, so there you have it. We got all 3 of the screws that came with this camera all the way installed, and then what we're gonna do is, the entrance is right back here. If you can see right behind me over there where that car just passed through, it's cars that pass through here 24 hours a day. So, you know, like this one, we're gonna sell them some meat. We're gonna make sure that they eat. And like, as sure as my name is James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer, I stand by cash money, credit card, EBT, and the pigs and chickens, you know what I mean? Like this meat market, we starting out with just pork and chicken. And we open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday from 12 to 7 p.m. And you know, like during the week, you can call and make your appointments or whatever if you wanted to get something. But for right now, we accept EBT, we accept cash money, checks. We got a secure environment for people to just come and get their food. And as you can see right here, we believe in bringing what you can't see to what you can see. So if you don't see no refrigerators or no freezers in there right now, watch as soon as I snap my fingers, the freezers and everything is gonna be right there in this vid. And we feeding people. Seekret Family Farm LLC, located here in Walkerboro, South Carolina. I'm James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer. We provide food to the community, to the state, to the world, because farming is one of the oldest traditions of providing food for people. If you ain't a farmer, who are you? Where you getting your food from? So, you know, it's 2025 and everybody gotta see life in a way that if you gonna eat, you don't eat to live, you live to eat, baby. You know what I mean? And so we out here providing for everybody that's passing through with meat markets, with pigs, with chickens, with just food, growth food. I'm James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer. This is how you install cameras at your farm or your homestead to make anything happen. Little drill, ladder, cameras, you got it. I'm signing out. Thank y'all for watching.